Welcome. This is your host, Tommy O'Neill, and we're going to examine Folio 4R of the Voynich manuscript today. And Folio 4R has extraneous text on the plant. If you'll notice, if we zoom in on Folio 4R, the upper right, there's an F here. And if we go to the vertical stem, there's 3 letters. Now, I'm going to focus on the 3 letters first. This I know is a T because this is not a Voynich letter. This is a Voynich O, and this is a Voynich R. This is a regular Latin letter F, hidden in the flower. We'll get to the flower. So let's look at the word TO in my cipher, and how my cipher goes about doing this. So if we type in YOR, now these are EVA Latin words. We go to decode. Let's clear it first. Y-O-R. And the reason why I'm using Y is because the T is over here to the right for novem. But we're not going to use novem, we're going to use T. However, if we look at the 5th word here, that would be a 9, and that's not showing up as a 9 on the plant stem. I mean, there is a slight similar 9 arc, novem arc right here, but it looks like a T, so it's like a combination of verifying his glyph, 9 for T in Latin, yet it looks like a T. So this is actually pretty good for my cipher. So we're going to go with the word TO, and that's the Latin word, but when we type it into my cipher, it's YOR, and EVA Voynich decodes to novem EO. But we're not going to use the novem part, we're going to use the T. So TO is the Latin study word. And I'll put that back in for you. TO. And what we have here is a birthday present. So I was wondering, this does look like it's a possibility of a flower, and the plant could be a flower. And I was thinking, what is a birthday present? And I said, for months, what are birthday presents for flowers? And so I went on that track that there are designated months for certain plants as birthday presents. And to get to the chase, I examined F, and Felix Dies Natalis is happy birthday to you, de Tibi. It starts with an F for Felix. So if we follow along in my post here, and I'll blow this up for you. So you can read the words. I know what the extraneous text meaning is for Folio 4R. And this is just the image we're looking at. The F is for Felix Dies Natalis, Latin. The vertical letters of the plant stem, which read tor, but the OR are the Voynich glyphs translated to I, O, respectively, to form the word TO, Latin for birthday present. So knowing that Wilfrid Voynich forged MS408, the plant for Folio 4R is a pre-budding cosmos flower for the birthday month of October. Voynich was born on October 31st. To find out how my cipher forms words and letters in Latin and unknown words from MS408 for EVA, O, and R, go to my cipher. And this is the plant that we'll be looking at. That is the cosmos flower for the birthday month of October. And I can look that up for you. Birthday month plants. October is marigold and cosmos. And I asked Claude, and if you notice up here in the tab for Claude, it says a cosmos flower buds full shot. But this is what I was looking for the buds, and there's one off to the side here that has a little bit pitched over right. But these cosmo plants do resemble the image in the Folio f4r. So what we have here is the birthday month is Wilfrid Voynich's birthday month for October. His birthday is October 31st, 1865. And so we have Hi, I'm back. I had to take a quick break. This is Thomas O'Neill with the Voynich manuscript Folio f4r, and we're looking at images. We're going to look at images of pre-budding cosmos and see. These are the kind of flowers that are the October. Here's a cosmos plant. How to grow cosmos. Here's the cosmos plant right here to the right. And we'll see how that stacks up against the Voynich flower, or it bears a resemblance. Wilfrid Voynich was not the artist. And so we're looking at the pre-budding cosmos that kind of resembles that. I got lucky with Claude because all cosmos is showing is just the flower in full bloom. It's not showing the pre-buds. Anyway, that's what the flower looks like. To get to the pre-buds, we have to go in here as a bloom. There's some. So I went for this cosmos, and so that's the image we get for cosmos. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.